Guess what, you goons? I got myself a new mic. How do you like that? I can even stand back here, potentially off screen, and my voice is still as crisp and juicy as always. Like an egg sizzling on a hot summer sidewalk. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today I am selling out. I'm saying screw it to all this. I am becoming a mumble rapper. I am going to spray paint my teeth chrome and I am done with it. I just want the money. No, I'm not doing that. No. Instead, I am going to succumb to the will of YouTube and I'm going to be making a piece about Squid Game. I've never actually watched the show personally, so, you know, go ahead and give me all the hate. I know. Stop it. I am a big fan of the aesthetic though, and eventually I'll probably end up watching it. I haven't gotten my Netflix account back from my friend, so I don't have the automatic login anymore. And so I'm going to be doing a Squid Game piece, but in the aesthetic of some neon lights. Because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm kind of in like a white void here. It's really kind of anxiety inducing. I feel like a poorly rotoscoped Frodo Baggins floating around.
Where am I?
So I need to make some art to be able to put up in here. It's boring. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. So another new update I actually have for you guys is I got myself a GoPro. Isn't that sweet? So now y'all can come along with me on all my little adventures around the studio. So, in order for us to get a good neon light effect, we're gonna be needing to use some black multimedia paper to give it a good glow. Set that bad boy up, and then we gonna need some Posca Pens. Let's see, which ones do we need? Here's my concept sketch for it that I just whipped up real quick. So we gonna need purple, yellow, green, red and blue, pink. I really wish I had a hot pink for this actually, but this will have to do. Orange, and of course, white. Let's get her going. So there you have it, folks. My sellout is complete. I will be expecting a check in the mail on Monday. And with that being said, as always, please make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Well, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Incidentally, the first 456 people to like this video will be involuntarily put into Mr. Beast's next Squid Game, and this one will have deadly consequences, so make sure you get in there early if you also want to sell out and become rich and famous potentially, as long as you don't die. And with that out of the way, and without further ado, we might as well get into the final shots, shall we? Next time you see me, I shall be riding in an Aston from my profits from this video, so can't wait to see that. Alright, catch you next time.